Hello my friends, how are you all? Today we will do very interesting activity, go away germs. My friends, are you ready for this activity? Let's start.
Hello my dear friends, today we are going to do the activity go away germs. For this activity you need water, black paper and soap. Look, I have so many soap here. Okay, for this we are going to pour water in a plate. Okay. And you know what? This is a black paper, but black paper will act like a germs. So I am pouring germs in your plate. Done? Okay. Now look what happened when you put your finger in your plate. Put your finger, my dear students, in your plate. Yes. Now what happened? Germs is stuck on your finger. Show me your finger. Yeah. Show it. Yeah. Yes. Now put your finger. Okay, what happened when you wash your hands? Look, put your finger in a soap. Dip your finger properly. Yes. Now you too put your finger in a soap. Yes. Now let's suppose you have washed your hands and now put your finger in your germ plate again. Now what happened? Look. All germs go away. This happened when you wash your hands. You know what? Washing hand is very important. Thank you.
I hope my friends you enjoyed today's activity. Always wash your hands with soap and say no to germs. Thank you for watching this video.